Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to talk about how you can set your working directory in R or R Studio. For this, first you need to see what is your current directory using this command getwd. So if you run this command, then you can see my current directory right now is user Samsun, OneDrive, University of New Mexico, and documents. But I want to change my working directory to my desktop. So then I need to go to my desktop. So I can go to my desktop. So this is my desktop right now. So I can just copy this path and paste here. So set working directory, set WD. So I'm setting my working directory, and this is my working path. So then, so one thing I want to mention for Windows, or who use Windows, for them, you have to change this back, this slash to backslash. Otherwise, this command will not work. And if you run this one, then now you can see my working directory sends to desktop. So if I again use this getwd commands, then I can see that my current working directory now my desktop. So I think this video might be helpful for you guys to set your current working directory, to change your working directory. So thanks for watching. Bye.